In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn a PowerPoint presentation into a YouTube-ready MP4 video using a free online tool. This is perfect if you've created a slideshow for a class, business presentation, tutorial, or any kind of content, and now want to upload it directly to YouTube as a video file. The best part is you don't need to install any software. Everything is done right inside your browser. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical tech guides. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can also use another modern browser, but Chrome works perfectly for this process. Once your browser is open, go to the address bar at the top and type in online-convert.com, then press enter. When the website loads, you'll see different file conversion options available. On the home page, look for the Video Converter section. Since we want to convert a PowerPoint file into a video, choose the option that converts PPTX to MP4. Click on the PPTX to MP4 converter tool to open the correct page. After the page loads, scroll down until you see the Upload section. This is where you'll add your PowerPoint file. Click on the Choose File button, which may also appear as Upload or Select File depending on the layout. As soon as you click it, an Open dialog box will appear on your screen. Now browse through your computer's folders and locate the PowerPoint file you want to convert. For example, it might be named something like Project File or Final Presentation. Click once on the file to select it, and then click the Open button in the bottom corner of the dialog box. Your file will now begin uploading to the website. Wait for the upload process to complete. The time this takes will depend on the size of your PowerPoint file and your internet speed. Once the upload finishes, scroll down the page if needed to review the conversion settings. In most cases, you can leave the default settings as they are, since they're optimized for standard video output. However, if you want to adjust video quality, resolution, or file size, you can do so in the optional settings section. When you're ready, click on the Start Conversion button. The website will now begin converting your PowerPoint presentation into an MP4 video file. During this step, the system processes all your slides and transforms them into a playable video format. Again, the time required will depend on the size and complexity of your presentation. Be patient and do not close the browser tab while the conversion is running. You'll see a progress indicator showing you the status. Once the process is finished, you'll see a message that says your conversion was successful. That's how you know everything worked correctly. After you see the success message, click on the Download button. Your new MP4 file will immediately start downloading to your computer. You can usually find it in your Downloads folder, unless your browser is set to save files somewhere else. Now you have a fully converted MP4 version of your PowerPoint presentation. From here, you can upload it directly to YouTube by going to youtube.com, clicking Create, and selecting Upload Video. Add your title, description, thumbnail, and publish it just like any other video. And that's it. You've successfully turned a PowerPoint presentation into a YouTube video using a free online tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.